The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Grandview County, Suburban County, at 2:14 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Source: radar. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado has been detected 2 miles north of the general area, moving south at 57 miles per hour. In addition to the tornado, large hailstones the size of a golf ball have been recorded and can significantly damage property. Take proper safety precautions at this time, such as moving into the lowest floor of your home. If shelter is not available, move to a ditch or low-lying area of land. Cover your head and lay flat on the ground. This tornado warning will be in effect until 3 a.m. Mountain Standard Time.